Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing into the Microsoft account you will use. This links licenses and simplifies activation. Once signed in, choose whether you want Microsoft 365 subscription or a one-time Office purchase, because setup differs. Download the installer from the Services and Subscriptions page. Make sure to pick 64-bit if you run large spreadsheets or heavy add-ins. Start the installer immediately and follow on-screen prompts. This gets Word and Excel files onto your machine, so you can activate them next. Run the downloaded installer and grant admin permissions when prompted. That ensures all components install correctly. During the first launch of Word or Excel, sign in with the same account you used to buy or subscribe. That activates the product and syncs OneDrive. If you need specific features, select language and 64-bit/32-bit options from settings before finalizing. Once done, update Office via Account Update Options to get security patches. This prevents activation hiccups and missing features. Complete setup by applying the latest updates and enabling auto-save to OneDrive so you never lose work. Make sure file associations set Word and Excel as default apps so double-click opens documents correctly. If something goes wrong, try Quick Repair from Control Panel/Apps or sign out and back into Office to force reactivation. This resolves most license or sync problems. If activation still fails, note the exact error and contact support with your order number for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.